Hi guys, this is Ricky from TubeTech. I'm here with a quick little problem solver for the Canon EOS Webcam utility tool that has been released. It's in beta. There's a couple of things you should know, just get straight to the point. It's only available on the USA website, so the URL for that is usa.canon.com. Go there and then search for the software, then you'll be able to find it if you're outside the US. The second thing you need to know about this utility is that it will not work if you have the Canon EOS utility on your computer, and this is a Windows only thing. If you uninstall that, then you will find you get the webcam utility, and you can then use your Canon camera with OBS or any other streaming software with a clean output. You don't have to worry about having a clean HDMI output or anything like that again. This solves that problem. This is a quick video. If you've got some value from this, please hit that subscribe, hit the like, and also drop a comment below. Take care, folks.